We can construct a model DC motor with the materials shown. First, wind about 10 turns of wire around the wooden core. Then, remove the insulation coating on each end of the wire. Use PVC insulation tape to fix the two bare ends of the wire on opposite sides of the axle tube. The bare ends act as the commutator of the motor. Fix the coil on the stand. Insert an axle through the axle tube of the coil and the holes on the stand. Bend the copper wires on the stand such that their bare ends press against the commutator. The bare ends act as the brushes of the motor. Put the coil in between two Magnedur magnets attached to a steel yoke. The DC motor is now completed. Connect the motor to a DC power supply. Observe carefully what happens when the power supply is switched on.